So in this session, we are going to discuss about testing life cycle. Okay. So the testing life cycle starts from the requirement analysis. Once a requirement analysis is done, it goes to the test planning. Once the test planning is completed, it goes to the test case development. Test case development is nothing but you know writing the test cases. Okay. So let's say there is a pen user. Okay, you want to test the pen. Okay, what are the test case you write? Okay, so whether the pen is works, writing fine on the paper or not, that's one test case. And whether the pen is pressable or not, whether the refill is fully available or not, the refill ink is fully available or not, or it is already half done. Okay. And if it is a cap pen, okay, whether the cap is really fit into the pen or not. Okay, so all those test case we write it, right? Okay, so that's what test case development. And what are the test case you have done? Okay, that has to be reviewed by some senior people than you. Okay, so probably it will be reviewed by a test lead. Okay, so the reason to review is, so there is a chance that you might be, you are the person who joined recently to the company. Okay, or you are the person who doesn't have much knowledge on the product. Okay, so test lead is the one who knows the end to end knowledge. He has the knowledge on the entire product. Okay, and you will be having a big picture on the product. Okay, he's the right person to review your test case and tell you that, okay, these are the scenarios, these are the test cases which are missed. Okay, and you have to write it. Okay, and he also says that, okay, these are the test cases which are not really required, you can remove. Okay, so he will review an entire test case document, and he makes sure that, okay, he makes sure that he gives you the review comments with a proper missing test cases. Okay. Once he gives you the review comments and you fixes it, now you are ready for executing your test cases. Okay, and once you start your test case execution, there is a chance that, okay, there could be some issues in the application or product. Okay, so it's not like every product is so stable in the very beginning itself. Okay, so there are chances that you will find the bugs bugs or failures or problems. Okay, you will find the bugs on a application, and what are the bugs you found, you will be reporting to the developer. Okay, by raising the issues on a portal. Okay, you will be reporting those issues to the developer. Once those bugs are reported and the bugs are fixed, again you will be doing a regression test. Okay, so to make sure that regression testing is nothing but verifying the defects. Okay, you make sure that you verify the defects which are fixed by the developer. And and that's what regression test meaning here. Once the bug verification is also completed, you can say test cycle closure and test reporting. So you'll close the test cycle and you will report the test reporting to your manager or to the customer, whoever it is interested. Okay, so you'll say these many in this particular product release, we have executed these many test cases, and these many are passed, these many are failed, and these many defects we raised. So such kind of information you will be giving to the customer. Okay, so yeah, so altogether this is our testing life cycle. Okay, so we'll be going to discuss about stage by stage in detail. Let's talk about once again, let me summarize this testing life cycle. So requirement analysis, what are the requirements we got from the customer? Okay, these are from, we are not getting from developer or somebody else. These are the pure requirements which we are getting from the customer. What are the requirements we got from the customer? We'll be analyzing it, and once we analyze, we prepare the test planning. Test planning is nothing but it's a it's a document. It could be a Word document, what or it is a PDF document, whatever it is. So it's a document which is, which will be writing to make sure that the entire testing activities are described in the test planning. Okay, so what are the testing activities has to be taken care. Okay, how many resources we need to complete this testing life cycle, and what skills a tester should have in our resources, what skills a tester should have, what are the missions we should have, what are the environments we have to support, as well as how many days it will take to complete the entire testing approximately. Okay, and what is the you know, testing management tools we have to follow, each and everything here. For any query, any information you want, everything you can able to find it out in the test planning. Okay, so such a granularity we are going to write the test planning. That's one thing. And once the test planning is done, you'll be start writing the test planning, usually done by senior people, probably a test lead or somebody. Okay, and test case development usually done by the QA engineers. Once test case development is done, it will be reviewed by some some senior people, probably test lead, and he reviews it and he gives review comments, and those review comments he will fix it. And after that you will be starting the test execution. Test execution is nothing but you will be executing a test case by test case. So during the test execution, if you found any bugs, you will be reporting it. Bug is nothing but some problem in the application. Okay, so if you found any problem in the application, you will be reporting, and developer will be fixing it again. Whatever he fixes, whatever the bugs are fixes, for that you will be doing a defect verification. Okay, simply we can call them as a regression test. And we can say test cycle closer, and we'll be reporting the details to the senior people like manager or customer. So that's about so this is about a testing life cycle. So next we'll see one by one, step by step.